We meet different people every day. We are in awe about someone's ability to provide context, and we also go towards those who constantly try to show us what's best. We see some who can memorize difficult things to recall, while there are others who are good in articulating the cause and effect overall. There are also individuals who give you confidence through whatever they express, and there are a few who, through their words and advices, can ease out all your stress. We realize these people are special as they amaze us by their clarity of thoughts, and through their emotional intelligence makes us feel they are elite and a rarity of sorts. This is because they have a great sense of understanding, which makes them outstanding in their acts and upstanding as a person. What we also admire in them is they are constantly on a lookout for more to keep building on their understanding core as they conceptualize ideas to move from knowing to understanding of contexts and definitions, operationalize their understanding with ability to memorize, reproduce and find right answers to questions, relate and connect their understanding by encoding and decoding their interpretations into organized patterns which provides insights and a greater meaning, evolve constantly in understanding by looking out for inferences, implications and continuous learning. They also extend the core towards understanding people, building relationship and eventually master it by showcasing modesty as they always feel there is more to know and assimilate when they keep their mind in an open state. Awareness that each one is unique and different, thereby ensuring that every minute in understanding people is well spent. Sensitive to others' feeling, as it is not just knowing how someone reacts, but understand deeper on how internally for them it impacts. Tolerance to listen to opinions you may not align, as they realize that constructive dissents and healthy arguments are always fine. Empathy to absorb and experience what others are feeling as their own, to support them so that they never think they are alone. Realization that understanding is not a destination but a journey where the paths are varied and too many. Let us also find the key for understanding through knowledge, empathy, and constantly earn for it, so that we will find the way for the true meaning of our existence through our worldly wisdom, acceptance of people and things as they are, thereby yielding to a state of unconditionality in our understanding of life. When all things go wrong and people don't get along, you are on a tough landing, looking out for understanding. You search for the context before you answer what next, as you seek for cause in effect to understand the core to connect. You go on to understand relations. With modesty you see the true sense, being sensitive to everyone's thoughts, upstanding you hit the high spots. Finding the key to real meaning, exploring for a deeper understanding, as with knowledge and empathy you earn to get true understanding of life in return.